Hey everybody, how's it going today? I want to do a review on a ideal 4-inch number 2 Phillips head screwdriver. Part number 35-194. So here we have here entire screwdriver. It retails for somewhere around 12 bucks. So as far as a screwdriver price goes, it is pretty expensive. Let me go ahead and try and there we go. I broke that free. 35-194 ideal. And I don't know if it's engraved in there with paint or if the paint just makes it feel like it's engraved. So it says it's a cushion grip. I love the color of it. The finish is very nice. Now, online on the description it shows that it's a magnetic tip, and we're going to test that. Little screw here. Let me just focus you guys. There we go. So, not picking up that, or that, or that, or that, or even a staple. So, for 13 bucks to get a screwdriver that's not magnetic, kind of a disappointment. We have a competitor here. It's about between 7 and 8 bucks. At the same place. This is also a number 2 Phillips. Same length. Handle is about the same length. This one's magnetic. And we have another competitor. So this one is a little bit longer, probably about 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 an inch longer. So this one's magnetic as well. So as far as it being magnetic, I kind of is let down and upset. We have here a little outlet. I'm going to test the screwdriver on. This is really designed for a square or a flathead combo. What you see there goes in pretty nice. So as far as the functionality of the screwdriver itself, it works fine. This receptacle is a little bit newer, on the newer side. So it fits in there real good. Didn't feel any slip. Try the ground. So the ground fits in just nice. So this will probably do the job of an ECX for a Phillips head. The handle's okay. I do feel some play between the black part of the handle and the blue clear plastic part, like an air pocket or something when I squeeze it. Now I have a surprise for everyone today. A Husky magnetizer. So I got this just in case I needed to magnetize the screwdriver. 1000046 So insert blade, positive side opening, and just move it back and forth. So we're going to test the magnetizer, see how well it works, and we're also going to see how well this can be magnetized. So we're sticking it in the positive side as indicated. Just going to try different methods. Make sure we get some good magnetism going. Okay, notice I didn't stick the entire shaft, just the tip. So now we're going to check. Alright, so now it is magnetized. It holds pretty well. Let's see one of these. So there's a pretty big screw. Now I call that magnetism a success. So in case you ever want to get one of these. And let's try the demagnetize, see how that works. So the demagnetize states that start here. If it doesn't work, move the next step up, and so on. Look at that. That's crazy. So it is no longer magnetic. Now, for shits and giggles, we're going to go ahead and try to magnetize it again. It is now magnetized again. Now this magnetizer doesn't state that if you put it in a certain amount of times or for an extended amount of period, if it'll get even more stronger of a magnet. So it's probably just enough for like a screwdriver or something. Well, there it goes. That's my review. Hope you guys like it. Let me know what you think. I mean, 13 bucks for a screwdriver that's not magnetic. I don't know if that's overpriced or what. And that's it. My ideal number 4 Phillips head screwdriver with my Husky magnetizer. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.